Hey, welcome to the show. Check out this desk lamp with wireless charger. This is a nice desk lamp that you can use in your office or at school or in your bedroom. It is 6 inches wide, and from the bottom to the top of this light, it's going to be about 21 inches. This arm right here is flexible. You can bend it in any position you want to. Another nice feature is that you can put pencils or pins inside here. And now I'm going to go ahead and turn this on, and you can see that it's a nice bright light, and you can change the different lights right here. You can make it nice and warm light, cool light, just like that. You can also change the intensity. So if I hold down on this, it starts to lessen. So I'm going to bring that down just like that, so it's kind of dim. And if I want to make it bright, I just keep my finger on it, and bada boom, bada bing, it's nice and bright. Another nice feature, this is a wireless charger for your phone. You want to put your phone sideways just like this. I'm going to go ahead and lay that here, and here you can see it's charging. Very nice light, pretty cool. Look nice on your desk. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you hit that likey button, the subscribe button, and like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.